Hello, today we will show you how to use ClusterDesktop on Mac. First, go to our site ClusterDesktop.com and log in to your web interface. If you want to make a RDP connection and you didn't allow any incoming connections to your computer, please watch this video now. If you have allowed incoming RDP connections, please proceed to the next step. In order to make a VNC connection, we recommend that you download Real VNC Viewer, but you can choose any other VNC viewer. If you want to make an RDP connection, please go to the App Store and download the Microsoft RDP client. Open the program and type the server name and the VNC port. Now, make a new connection, type the server name and the RDP port. Please keep in mind that you are going to use the username and the password of the computer to which you are going to connect. If you want a VNC connection over SSH, please open a terminal shell, a new remote connection, click on SSH and type the server name, then the user and the code showed here. The number after P will be the STP port. Now type the password of the computer to which you are going to connect. Now open the VNC viewer and type localhost, and then the port will be 55900, like in the video here. If you would want any RDP connections over SSH, again open a terminal shell and new remote connection. Again type the server name and the STP port, but now the numbers after -L will be 3389, like in the video here. You can copy paste this code from our site. Again, type the password of the computer to which you are connecting and open Microsoft RDP. Now, the server name will be localhost and the port will be 3389. Again, use the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting. To make a STP connection, we recommend to use FileZilla, but you can use any other STP client. Download and run FileZilla. Now make a new connection. Type the server name and the STP port. To make a FTP connection, we would have to open again a terminal shell and make a SSH connection. But now, like shown in the video here, you have to make two other ports to be forwarded. Like here, the numbers after -L will be 50021 and 50024. Again, you can copy paste the code from our site. Now go again to FileZilla, make a new connection. The server name will be localhost and the port will be 50021. The connection type will be FTP, and now the username will be ClusterDesktop, all lowercase, and the password will be cluster uppercase, desktop uppercase. You can find this under the Windows menu of your web interface. If you don't want to download any STP program, you can still transfer your files from the web interface. Firefox has an add-on called FireFTP which allows you to do this. But first install FireFTP, then from the web interface click on Transfer Files through FireFTP and use the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting. If you don't have any of these programs, you can still control your computer from the web interface. Just click on Use No VNC HTML5. This will open a new web page from which you type the VNC password if you have one. And control your computer from a browser. If you need any more help with using ClusterDesktop, please see the tutorial on how to use ClusterDesktop for Mac. Thank you for using ClusterDesktop.